If the ratio of x and y is 1 to 2, which one of the following statements must be true? Option D, x is less than y when the multiplier is less than 0. If A and B are directly proportional, then pick the correct relationship among the given options. Option B, A divided by B equals constant. A person takes 25% more time to reach the destination. Find the percent decrease in speed. Option C, 20%. If P and Q are inversely proportional, then pick the correct relationship among the given options. Please let us know your answer in comments section.